What's up, YouTube? We have another great installation video coming your way from TST Industries today. I'm Bart. I'll be installing these Womet-Tech bar ends on a 2015 and up Yamaha FZ-07, also known as the MT-07 in Europe. This is a really straightforward installation, so let's begin. All right, so in the first step here, we will be removing the OEM bar ends off the bike. This is done with an 8mm Allen head. I will go ahead and do that on both sides of the bike. And in this next step, I will be installing the new Womet-Tech base on the left side of the bike here. I will use a 22mm socket to get it bottomed out and tightened up. I will repeat this procedure on the other side of the bike. We'll insert and thread in the base, get it bottomed out, and then use a 22mm socket, bottom it out again. On this side, since we have the throttle on this side, we'll need to make sure that we didn't jam up the throttle tube. That looks good. So I will now switch over to a 5mm Allen and proceed to the installation of the delrin crash cap onto the base of our new bar ends here. We'll bottom that out and tighten it up here. As you can see, these bar ends are made of a combination of delrin and aluminum materials. The base is available in black, red, gold, and blue anodized colors, and the cap always stays black. So I will finish up here now by installing this last component here. And again, using a 5mm Allen, I will bottom this thing out and tighten it up. And that's it. This bike is ready to go.